my child nutrition professionals. Are you looking for a great sliced turkey breast for your child nutrition programs? Well, if you are, you've come to the right place. I'm Chef Brenda, and I'm also a registered dietitian. I develop standardized recipes for child nutrition programs, and I'm excited to share this product with you today. I'm here at Butterball. It's a wonderful product that they have produced here. I love it because when you taste it, it just tastes like a very nice, fresh turkey breast. And so it's wonderful on salads, sandwiches, wraps, all kinds of things that you can think of. I like this product because it's very simple and easy to use. It's about 0.64 ounces per slice. So 3.35 ounces is a 2-ounce equivalent, which is about 6 slices. So when you get the product, when it first comes in, it's going to be frozen. And so when you're ready to use it, you want to thaw it in the refrigerator for up to 48 hours. In my experience, it has taken the full 48 hours. And so you don't want to stack it on top of each other because it's going to take longer if you do that. You want to put it single layer in the packages on sheet pans and make sure there's a little bit of room for it to breathe and thaw. And you place it in the refrigerator, like I said, for 48 hours. So stay with us because we're going to show you some great ideas on how to use this product. And I highly encourage you to go to Butterball's website to find more recipes for child nutrition programs.